Eagle Beach e ola nang toata grandi varios turista experiencias aqui para prome viaja na Aruba. Também durante o último dia nang meteo avisa que tem lavadeira na caminda.
E ola nanku Aruba tem atualmente também dor de lavadeira nanku tabiniendo for di norte.
Centro de pressão a boa que está algo normal para dentro temporada de inverno que nós está dentro. Do nosso banho diferente de não quizás com menos intensidade, pero essa aqui dor que ela deep out bastante, que ela vira mais intenso den último 24 para 48 horas. Hasta tem pensar que é para um subtropical storm de curso de próximo 48 horas, quizás, se sendo seguro. Pero o hecho está que está produzindo bastante dining, lo que nós sabemos aqui na lavadeira. Então, a mão lo porta 5 para 6 pies de lavadeira. Para motivo de wave não está vindo de sistema que está produzindo naturalmente wave que está chega seca nós aqui não, então essa não está uma lavadeira.
Vários turistas também Aruba para edushi com os beach nanta. E viaja aqui na que da asombra de lo que na mira.
We arrived to Aruba yesterday. We were supposed to come Sunday, but we came one day later, and we went swimming immediately. Last night, around 5 o'clock, the water was beautiful. Now today, we found amazing waves on the beach. Very big wave, very powerful waves. I never seen this on this beach here before. It may be shocking for everybody. Nobody expects this. Especially maybe I think Aruba people don't expect this because they used to always calm, very settled weather. And I traveled the world quite a bit, so I've seen waves and calm seas and perky rivers, you name it, just about everything. But I would say for Aruba this is a little bit unusual. I don't know how long it's going to last. I wish I could have a crystal ball.
Na momento que a situação apresenta, polis nang akeda encarga para avisar turista nang panansali for the hour.
The police gave us a message through some beach attendant that we should leave the beach because the waves are coming. And then I asked a question if there's more waves or what do they think about it. They said they're evacuating beach because they're expecting more waves. Maybe it's just precaution for the people not to get hurt because we don't have lifeguards here, and I think probably very smart idea because when the waves started coming first today, I saw people going to the water and I could see they could not handle the waves because they're not used to it. So I think that was very smart what police did to take the people off the beach.
And you enjoy your vacation?
I love Aruba, it's beautiful. The air in Aruba, the climate is just spectacular. And the people are the kindest you could ever imagine and very, very educated, speaking several languages. So it's really always a treat coming here. And as a matter of fact, my husband is waiting on the stone over there. What we will do later, in next 15 minutes, we will drive to Lighthouse to see the waves over there. And enjoy, absolutely. Take the pictures, enjoy that phenomenon. I am sure the life is going to come back to normal in few days.
Pa ATV Canal G5, Amita Farabukhout.
E turista ta di Poland pero tabiba na New York e tour aia tabiaha pa Aruba e ta encanta con os isla e ta disfruta di cada dia. Tame meteo ta avisa pa turista nang kukiar by beach pa ta mas cauteloso de Indiana aqui.